In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the optimized trend tracker strategy and screener in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at, you just need any active chart on your screen so we can start adding the tools. Once you're on your chart, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. This is usually near the middle of the toolbar. Go ahead and click on indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools, community scripts, and your saved indicators are located. Getting comfortable with this panel is important because you'll be using it a lot as you customize your charts. After you click indicators, a new window will pop up. At the very top of this window, you'll see a search box. Click directly into that search box. This is where you can quickly find anything you want to add instead of scrolling through long lists. In the search box, start typing Optimized Trend Tracker Strategy and Optimized Trend Tracker Screener. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Make sure you're selecting the correct versions that match the names you're looking for. When you see the Optimized Trend Tracker Strategy in the list, click on it once to add it to your chart. You should immediately see lines, signals, or overlays appear, showing you how the strategy interprets the current price action. Next, do the same thing for the screener. In that same search box, type in Optimized Trend Tracker Screener, then click on it in the results. The screener might open in a separate panel, usually at the bottom of your screen, and it will help you scan multiple symbols using the same logic as the strategy. This combination of a strategy on your chart and a screener for your watch list is very powerful for staying on top of trends across different markets. If you want to unlock more features, extra indicators on a single chart, and better tools for testing and screening, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro. I have an affiliate link in the video description that takes you directly to the TradingView Pro sign up page. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep making tutorials like this. So to recap, open your chart, click on indicators, use the search box to find the optimized trend tracker strategy and screener, add them to your chart and panels, and use the affiliate link in the description if you're ready to move up to TradingView Pro for a more advanced trading setup.